Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my homemade chorizo and eggs. This wonderful recipe is packed full of flavor, and by making your own chorizo, you can tailor it to the spice level you like. Let's get started. Begin by adding some chili powder to a mixing bowl. Add some smoked paprika, oregano, some cumin, allspice, a generous amount of garlic powder, salt, ground black pepper, some cayenne pepper, and just a bit of sugar substitute. Give a mix to combine. Now add some avocado oil and give another mix. You can adjust the spice level here by adding a little more or a little less cayenne, and even a little red pepper flakes if you like. Add our spice mix to a small skillet on medium heat and cook until it becomes bubbly and fragrant. You don't want to skip this step, as cooking down the spices will take the raw taste away and the spices will become infused with the oil. Turn the heat off and stir in some apple cider vinegar and let this cool completely. Add some ground pork to a mixing bowl. Pour in our spice mix and combine well. I find it easier just to use my hands for this. After it's mixed, cover and place in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Add 6 eggs to a mixing bowl and give a light scramble to break up the yolks. Add some heavy cream, salt, ground black pepper, a little chopped cilantro, and some chopped chives. Give a mix with a whisk and scramble until everything is combined, and set it aside. To a skillet on medium-high heat, add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Add a half a green and red bell pepper and a 1/4 cup of onions, all finely chopped. Cook until the peppers soften and the onions begin to turn translucent. Add our chorizo to the pan and break into small pieces as it cooks. Stir and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the chorizo is fully cooked. Add the eggs and stir and cook until the eggs reach your desired consistency. Serve on a low-carb tortilla for a great breakfast burrito, or on a plate garnished with some chives. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my homemade chorizo and eggs. A full-flavored low-carb breakfast, brunch, or lunch option. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.